Hi, what's up, Reef Finance coin holder? What's going on this time, my friends? The Reef Finance circulation is going very good, my friends, because absolutely when a holder or starting holding, so definitely the price will be increasing. And remember, my friends, this is not a financial video. I just advise you to supply kindly research personally before because we have not responsible for any kind of loss. Refinance holder, first of all, I will give you some very good news, and after that I will predicate this to in upcoming time the very huge pump is coming soon or the very huge dump is coming soon. So first of all, my friend, as you can see here, this time the change occurring, so 3.98% increase, and the highest price is 0.033 USD dollar, and the current price is 0.030 USD dollar. So that's mean to the price it jumps down, and the rank, as you can see here, so the rank is 179, and the market cap you can see here 4 billion. The 24-hour volume is 1 billion 123 billion, and circulating supply, as you can see, 13 billion. Max supply, as you can see, 15 billion. Distribution, as you can see, my friends, so it's also at 6.72. Alright, so this time last 1 hour change occurring negative, last 1 day and last 7 days is going positive and very good, my friend. You can see 38.68% they will get a profit. So that's really good news for all of you, my friends. So the price will increasing now. I am so impressed now, my friends. So the price will increasing and give us a very good profit. Refinance holder, as you can see here, to after a dump they will pump up. So therefore my prediction is 100% going positive, because after a pump they will dumps down, and after a dumps they will pumps up. So therefore in the last point the arrows is moving in upward direction. So that's clear, my friends, to in upcoming time the refinance price will be increasing. The very huge explosion is coming soon. My opinion is please hold, don't starting selling. And what's your opinion? Share it in a comment box. See you next time. Allah Hafiz.